Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Income Tax Appeal Form 35 online. First, understand why you are appealing an order from the tax department. Next, ensure you have all necessary documents, such as the assessment order and proof of any tax payments. Finally, navigate to the official income tax e-filing portal to begin your appeal. This preparation is crucial for a smooth online submission. Once you are ready, log in to the e-filing portal using your permanent account number and password. From the main menu, click on e-file, then choose Income Tax Forms. In the subsequent page, search for Form 35 and select the appropriate assessment period for your appeal. This ensures you are working with the correct form. Now, carefully fill in the details of the order you are appealing, including its unique number and the date it was issued. Clearly state your grounds of appeal and provide a concise statement of facts to support your case. Remember to upload all necessary supporting documents, like the assessment order and copies of tax payment challenge, ensuring each attachment is under 5 megabytes. Before finalizing, meticulously review all the information you have entered to ensure accuracy. Then, submit your completed Form 35 using either your digital signature certificate or an electronic verification code. After successful submission, you will receive an acknowledgement number. Make sure to save this number, as it is essential for tracking the status of your appeal on the e-filing portal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.